In a single day, the AI industry's power map got redrawn. Qualcomm took a swing at Nvidia's biggest advantage. Alphabet muscled into the Dow, and Anthropic slipped an autonomous worker into your Slack. 3 moves, 1 question. Who owns the stack? 3 stories tie today together. Qualcomm's $3.9 billion move against Nvidia's software moat. Alphabet replacing Verizon in the Dow, and Anthropic turning Claude into a teammate that works on its own. Start with the chip war. Qualcomm is buying AI software startup Modular for about $3.9 billion in stock. Modular makes Mojo and a platform called Max that run AI models across Nvidia, AMD, and Intel alike. The target is CUDA, Nvidia's developer lock-in. And Modular is only one piece. Stack it with Qualcomm's reported $8 to $10 billion talks to buy Tenstorrent and its earlier Ventana deal, and you get a single strategic bet of roughly $14 billion. Make AI run on hardware that doesn't come from Nvidia. The symbolism. S&P Dow Jones Indices said Alphabet replaces Verizon in the Dow Jones Industrial Average on June 29th. The Dow weights by share price. Google trades near $350 to Verizon's $47. A phone carrier out, a search giant in. The gap tells the story. At roughly $350 a share, Alphabet carries real weight in a price-weighted index, while Verizon, near $47, barely moved the needle. The blue chip club is now effectively an AI portfolio. Finally, the workplace. Anthropic launched Claude Tag, a persistent AI teammate that lives inside Slack. Tag it and hand off work. It keeps context, sends proactive updates, and runs jobs asynchronously on Claude Opus 4.8. The old Claude and Slack app retires August 3rd. Put the 3 together, and the through line is hard to miss. The fight has moved up the stack, from who makes the fastest chip to who owns the software, the index, and the workday that all of it runs on. So here's the rundown. Qualcomm paid $3.9 billion to chip at Nvidia's CUDA moat. The Dow swapped Verizon for Alphabet, and Anthropic turned Claude into a coworker that lives in Slack. The map of who controls AI keeps redrawing.